Hey guys, so yesterday we had a giraffe come by itself to the hide. It checked everything out and then left. It didn't stay to eat or drink. But today, we were here in the same shipping container. It's sunken into the ground and we were waiting for wildlife to come by. A huge gust of wind began and it was blowing sand everywhere to the point that we decided it was time to leave. We weren't gonna be able to see any wildlife today. Just as we were leaving, a group of giraffes showed up. They were coming in from our right, and with them was a young baby giraffe. It starts nursing, and what a unique experience. So a giraffe will begin by solely relying on the mother's milk, and around 2 to 3 months it'll start exploring other foods, but it's not completely weaned off the mother's milk until about a year. And this is a lot of work for a mom, needing to care for her baby, protect it, and also feed herself. So what giraffes often will do is form nurseries with other moms and other young giraffes. So they'll take turns where one giraffe will leave and she'll eat, find food and drink, and then she'll come back and they'll rotate. And it's a great community that's formed, and the young are able to be socially stimulated, protected, and overall this protects their survival rate. What's really neat is that when they're grown enough to leave and go off and venture on their own, the females will never lose the bond between the groups. So they will still see their mom on a regular basis and they'll remain in the social community that they were born into. Even if they do wander off and go on with their own life, they'll still come visit the community. Very neat experience.